I think it, yes.
So like we got a little boy, and we tired of chicks saying we turning their dude on, and like Brittany just disappeared, but like I'ma still spit this shit. Like where'd you go? Turn it on.
I don't understand why.
Me neither. My phone going off, but like who cares?
Hot bitch.
Niggas texting me and shit. Yeah, I already know what my game. Okay, so like that's what dudes be saying to us. I don't know why. Like they like chicks mad cause we turn their dudes on basically.
Basically.
Like I just walk by like little girl like me, smile, tip. Really. But you know I'm BBI, so like this shit is for you.
It's for you, boo.
And all them people that want to watch this, I guess. We love y'all.
It's for you too.
So you go to the club, but I already know what my game be like. Got your dude asking me like, Mom, what your twat be like? Quizzing me, ain't no answering, baby. Got gifts like it's my anniversary, baby.
It's BBI. We stay fly till we die. Ain't no way, bitch. Ask your motherfucking guy.
Nigga. I was gonna read that one. You like pause.
Stop it. Stop recording. Okay. Damn.
Damn. Bitch. So like.
Okay.
So like, we got bored. And this is what we did. Yeah. Like, mad chicks saying that we turning their dudes on.
What?
Like, we just walked by Brittany.
Damn.
Why is they mad at us?
I think it's the smile.
Maybe. Or maybe it's called BBI. Bang that shit.
Bang it.
But like, I'm about to spit.
Don't kill him.
I'm trying not to.
Alright.
I already know what my game be like. Got your dude asking me like, Mom, what that twat be like? Quizzing me, ain't no answering, baby. He bought me gifts like it's our anniversary, baby.
It's BBI. We stay fly till we die. Ain't know it, bitch. Ask your motherfucking guy.
Ask him.
See me coming through, bitches scream, oh my. Don't step incorrect, ho. Don't even try.
When niggas see us, they be like, yup, they the truth. Nigga, couple bad bitches, high heel in the booth.
Alright.
So like, we didn't go out. But this is what we did instead.
Okay. I think we are.
It's like 4 something in the morning.
Yeah. 4:24.
We made a video. We didn't go out. But it's called Turning Me On. BBI version.
BBI.
Like.
The best version.
So here it goes. Already know what my game be like. Got your dude asking me like, Mama, what your top be like? Quizzing me, ain't no answering, baby. Bought me gifts like it's our anniversary, baby.
It's BBI. We stay fly till we die. Ain't no way, bitch. That's your motherfucking guy. See me coming through, bitches scream, oh my. Don't step incorrect, hoes. Don't even try.
When niggas see us, they say, yup, they the truth, nigga. Couple bad bitches, high heels in the booth, nigga.
Definition of bad, well, nigga, we the proof.
All the mother bitches fake, matter of fact, they a spoof.
Mimi not here, but she's here in spirit.
Hey, girl.
Poppin' bullshit, bitch. I don't wanna hear
Can't hear it.
What the fuck is wrong? Ask me and I'll cure it. This is how we do late night. Yes, we spit it.
Wondering how I took your man. Nigga was a fan of my brown skin, small waist. Daddy begging for a sweet little taste of this dessert might spoil your appetite. In the bedroom is where we rehearse. Hollywood, they do starring me and him. Cheesing mad hard when I called them baby. Guess what? I'm his little Kim.
Bitch, I'll take your man and I'll take his friend while I'm in your land. Cause he wants my hand.
He wants it.
Yeah. Cause he wants my hand.
And that's it.
Finally.